Take a moment to check out the 2020 Nissan Rogue. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Style, security, and efficiency blend beautifully in this Nissan Rogue, the handsome, family-friendly compact SUV that offers standard driver assist safety features and a smooth, responsive ride. Comfortable and capable, this sporty four-door hatchback brings confidence along on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, satellite radio, power liftgate, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, heated front seat. Spacious comfort is surprisingly efficient in this well-designed Rogue. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.